Smoked Meatball Sub. Kyle, you're behind barbecue, and today we're making smoked meatball subs. One of my go-to. Everybody loves a good meatball sub, so let's dive into it. I got us a container here. We are going to use 1 pound of ground beef. Dump that in there, and then we are going to use 1 pound of ground pork. You can use sausage, you can use whatever your favorite Jimmy Dean or whatever you want to use. Mine's a mild ground pork sausage. We are going to use a 1/2 cup of onion, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of breadcrumb, 2 eggs, bada bing, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and we are going to use about 1 or 2 tablespoons of our green chili bacon rub. All right, now we mix everything together. All right, now that everything's mixed, get us a nice handy dandy cooling rack, and we're gonna just get us some balls here. It's about 1/2 of a handful. You can make these as big as you want. I'm gonna try to get as symmetrical as I can. So, 1 ball. Now that we got our balls all laid out, ready to roll, we're gonna go fire up our grill. I got the Green Mountain grill set to 300 degrees. We're gonna put it on, we're gonna let these go. When they get about halfway, I want them to read about 130, 140. Then every 10 minutes until they reach about 160, I am going to add barbecue sauce. Now you can add any one of your favorite barbecue sauces to the top of these meatballs to really set the sauce on top. I will show you what mine is once we get there and we start getting going on these balls. So let's go throw it on the grill. All right, the Green Mountain grill is set to 300 degrees. 300 degrees. We're gonna open her up. Put these meatballs on. Boom. Shut the door. 45 minutes. We'll come back 45 minutes, close to an hour, and we'll check the temp on them. All right, we're about 45 minutes in. Let's check these meatballs out. Ooh, man, they look good. All right, so we're about 125 on that. Nice color on them, 130. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get our favorite barbecue sauce, and of course, mine is the one we make here, homemade at the restaurant, and we're going to drizzle on each meatball. All right, we're gonna do this every 10 minutes until it hits 160. Once it hits 160, we're gonna pull them off, I'm gonna put them in the bread, and we gotta chow down. All right, we got our meatballs done. Sauced them 3 times. They are looking killer. Got that little candy color. So what we're gonna do is now we got our sub rolls. We're gonna put them in a pan like this. We're gonna add some provolone cheese to the bottom of each sub. I'm gonna put probably 2 in there. Now, if you don't wanna go this extra mile, you can just eat these how they are. We should probably test them, huh? Let's test them. These are money. Wow. Absolutely money. So now, we're gonna add these meatballs to each sub. So, now we're gonna add Swiss cheese on top of each one. Bam. Just like that. Now, I got the GMG fired up to 350 degrees. We're gonna put this in there and we're just gonna melt the cheese and kind of warm up the bun, toast it a little bit, and then we're good to go. So let's go throw these on. The GMG's fired up to 350. We got the cheese on top of our subs, and we're gonna throw these on and let them melt, let them get toasty. I'm guessing should be about 5 or 10 minutes, but we'll check it in 5, 10, see what she looks like. Let's go. All right, 5 minutes in, let's check the meltiness. Whoo, hoo, hoo, hoo. Dang, these look good. All right, we're pulling them off. I'm ready to eat. Let's pull them off. All right, meatball subs are off. They are looking amazing. God, I'm so dang hungry. Look at this. I'm telling you, you take this to a party, everybody gets a sub, game over. All right, let's try it. No way you need marinara sauce, just barbecue. Damn, that's good. If you're ready for more cool recipes like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.